Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome to Drama YT. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite Chinese dramas of this year, which is You Are My Hero, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons that why you should watch this drama. It is a highly rated medical military romance drama starring Sandra Ma and Bai Ziting, whom you have seen in the drama Ping Pong Life. The story follows a new resident doctor named Mika and a special force elite officer named Sinkelei, who first met during a robbery incident. Fate reunites the two again when Mika attends an emergency rescue training organized by the special police team. A deadly earthquake strikes the country, and Mika joins the medical team headed to the epicenter of the quake to aid with rescue operations. She is then joined by Sinkelei, who is a part of military personnel, and they work tirelessly side by side, facing life or death situations. From their initial minor hostile interactions, romantic feelings blossom as Sinkelei becomes attracted to Mika's bravery and selfness, while Mika admires Sinkelei's leadership, dedication and compassion. There has been fervent discussions online debating whether or not You Are My Hero is a remake of the 2016 smash hit Korean drama Descendant of the Sun. Although on paper it sounds like a Chinese remake, but I can assure you it is not. In fact, You Are My Hero is the drama adaptation of the 2019 novel You Are My City and Fortress by author Mo Xingyu. The drama explores and depicts the life of police officers and doctors, allowing audience to understand their dedication and hardship of their work. If this isn't enough to pique your interest, I'm going to give you my top reasons why You Are My Hero is worth watching. So let's get to it. Number 1. Compassionate and charming female lead. Our female lead Mika is a new resident neurosurgeon at Rensing Hospital and represents the true qualities of a great doctor. She is diligent, kind-hearted, professional, resilient, and extremely dedicated to saving lives. Mika is quite opposite of many stereotypical drama female leads who are often damsel in distress. Instead, she is independent, composed, resourceful, a team player, and doesn't fear hardship. Although Mika is not the most talented surgeon among her peers, her excellent work ethic and strong principles of maximizing the health benefits of her patients make her highly trusted by the patient. She is also a wonderful friend who is always willing to do anything to help when needed, which shows us her sweet, charming and goofy side. I also love that she is not a pushover and isn't afraid to speak her mind and confront her enemies. Mika is definitely one of the best female characters, and it is no surprise our male lead, Sinkelei, falls in love with her from the very start. From those who are not familiar with Sandra Ma, she is an award-winning actress known for her work in the critically acclaimed dramas The Left Ear and Soulmate. So it comes as no surprise that she is a fantastic actress and portrays the compassionate and charming Mika wonderfully. Sandra always has the ability to portray all her roles dynamically, utilizing her soft voice, refreshingly beautiful, sweet smile and giggle, plus her puppy eyes and gentle disposition, making Mika so naturally adorable and warm. Many fans of the drama would really agree that Sandra really nailed the role, and they cannot imagine Mika being played by anyone else. Number 2. Charismatic and strong male lead. Captain Sinkelei of the Tiger Assault Team, SWAT, is our strong, charismatic and handsome male lead. He is confident, principled, and exceptionally talented in his field, making him one of the youngest captains of a special police team. Just like Mika, he is extremely dedicated towards his work. Although Sinkelei is a confident man and is well aware of his talents and charm, he is far from being egoistic. He is a tough superior towards his team, but he is also a reliable and warm guy. Despite having a cold exterior, once Sinkelei discovers his feelings for Mika, he doesn't waste any time and boldly pursues her. Who knew the serious and formidable Captain Singh could also be such a dorky, caring, sweet, romantic and shy man around Mika? Fans of the drama love the stark contrast of Sinkelei's persona as a police officer and boyfriend. Not only does he win Mika's heart, he wins the hearts of his viewers as well. Number 3. Honest and open OTP. After witnessing Mika and Sinkelei's explosive first meeting from the premiere episode, you know they are meant to be together. Our OTP both work in extremely challenging occupations as a doctor and a police officer, and they are both equally passionate about their work. Due to their demanding jobs, they cannot spend as much time together like typical couples. They make their relationship work because they greatly treasure their time together, and they demonstrate it through honest communication and trust. It is also refreshing to see that the angst between our OTP isn't from typical drama tropes like stalker second male lead, disapproving parents, amnesia, etc., but is rather from the tensions of their respective professions. What I love most about Mika and Sinkelei is that they are partners of equal footing who respect each other's opinions and choices. They are a level headed and reciprocal couple that consistently communicates with each other, leaving hardly any room for any misunderstanding. Whenever there are conflicts, they do not hesitate to apologize, and they understand and respect each other's demanding careers and are willing to accept that their jobs at times will take precedence over each other. Our OTP's relationship development, transitioning from friends to being a cute and awkward couple and finally as life partners, is also sweet. Their interactions are so authentic and their conversations feel so casual and natural. When they sincerely express their thoughts, worries, and love, they are truly relationship goals. Although the drama is called You Are My Hero, Sinkelei and Mika do not consider themselves as heroes. To them, they are just ordinary people with extraordinary jobs, trying to navigate their daily lives. Although their career paths are as different as night and day, they share the common mission of trying to save lives. Throughout the drama, they overcome adversity both independently and together in their jobs, allowing them to shine as both individuals and as a pair. Number 4. Uniquely dynamic secondary couples. Another great aspect of You Are My Hero is that there are no love triangles. Instead, we are treated with not just one but two secondary couples. The first couple is Renjin Xia and Shu Wenbo. Renjin Xia, better known as Xiao Xia, is a well-known journalist and Mika's best friend who actively pursues Su Wenbo, the deputy captain under Sinkelei's SWAT team. What makes Xiao Xia so admirable is that she is courageous, assertive, and forthright when it comes to romance and her career. Su Wenbo is hilariously endearing as he is quite clueless and dense when it comes to love. Their love story is a slow burn romance, but once Shu Wenbo realizes his feelings towards Xiao Xia, he is quick to act on it. As Xiao Xia says, Shu Wenbo is a simple-minded person who wears his heart on his sleeve. They are an adorable couple and it is worth the wait once they make it official. Our third couple is Xingke Yao, the sassy elder sister of Xingke Lei, and Xiao Yuhan, the director of the neurosurgery department as well as Mika's boss and mentor. The two were former lovers that split up years ago due to life circumstances, but they never forget each other. If we are describing Mika and Sinkelei's relationship as fresh, new, and pure, Xingke Yao and Xiao Yuhan's relationship in contrast is familiar, warm, comfortable, and mature. Their scenes are a joy to watch because you witness their unspoken understanding in their undefined relationship demonstrated through their relaxed conversations and actions. All three couples have a unique dynamic that is beautiful in their own way, and You Are My Hero does a wonderful job in showcasing the charm of each of their love stories. Number 5. Wonderful OST. A great drama isn't complete without a beautiful soundtrack. You Are My Hero boasts a great OST, and you can tell every song was meticulously picked to suit each scene or situation, helping to highlight the emotions of the characters. Many fans of the drama love the opening theme song Because I Have You by the rock band The Life Journey, and the ending theme song Accident by Chen Shuran and Ye Xiaoxing. My favorite song from the drama is Whisper, an emotional romantic ballad by Dao Jiwen. Other songs include the fun and sweet songs Contended and Fallen in Love, and the touching rock ballad Nostalgia by Liu Ning is also good. Overall, You Are My Hero is a well-written, heartwarming story with great character arcs and relationships. It is terrific in all aspects: acting, chemistry, music, comedy, and of course, romance. It also pays tribute to all the faceless, everyday frontline heroes who fiercely dedicate themselves to their services. It is especially during these difficult, unprecedented times that it's even more important to show our respect and gratitude to our self-sacrificing heroes. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramyt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later. As always, your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.